So does the Lightboard improve learning? Well, there's been a brand new paper published investigating this question. They compared what they called a transparent whiteboard with a traditional whiteboard. They looked at an organic chemistry lesson, around about 20 minutes, and they measured the students' post-test learning. And what they found was that students who viewed the transparent whiteboard video actually had improved learning compared with the students who saw the traditional lesson. And they proposed that there was two reasons for that. The first one is that there was a reduction in occlusion. So with a traditional whiteboard, the instructor has their back to the students for much of the time that they're actually writing the content on the board. So it's occluded by the hand, the arm, or the whole body. Now, if the instructor is at the same time explaining the concept, there's a disconnect then where the students are not seeing the content at the same time that they're hearing it. So that's a problem. The other thing that they identified was that there was improved social cueing. So because the instructor is facing the students at all times, the students are able to make eye contact with the instructor, and they're able to see that gesturing and cueing that's important, that signalling, which is an important multimedia learning concept. So essentially the transparent whiteboard better supported the principles of multimedia learning. The study also included a perception survey where students were asked to rate their experience, and the students who saw the transparent whiteboard video rated that higher in terms of that social relationship and rapport with the instructor. Final part of the study looked at how learning was maintained for a week after viewing the video, and they actually found that there was no significant difference between the traditional whiteboard and the transparent whiteboard. And they suggested that may have been because the students had no incentive to learn the content. It wasn't part of their course. So they proposed that further research needs to be conducted in more authentic settings. And they also said that videos with a transparent whiteboard are possibly most effective in STEM subjects, where there's a whole lot of complex visual representations. And that was certainly the case with the subject that they chose, which was organic chemistry. So I think that this first study is really reassuring and holds a lot of promise for the future. Further research needs to be done in more authentic settings, maybe at a high school level, and but you know, this is certainly a good start.